Imagine arriving in a new place, eager to explore and build your life, but suddenly facing a big question. How do I get around? What if you need to drive to work, take your children to school, or simply visit the grocery store, but you are unsure about the driving laws? It can feel overwhelming to navigate a new country's transportation system. The core answer is that driving rules for immigrants are generally the same as for any other resident in a given state. The main difference lies in the eligibility requirements to obtain a driver's license, which are directly influenced by your immigration status and the specific laws of the state where you resided. This system exists because, in the United States, driving laws and the process for issuing driver's licenses are primarily regulated at the state level, not by the federal government. Each state has its own Department of Motor Vehicles or a similar agency responsible for setting these rules. This means that while the actual traffic laws, such as speed limits and stop signs, are universal within a state, the documentation needed to prove identity, residency, and legal presence can vary significantly from one state to another. To figure out the rules for you, your first step should always be to visit the official website of your state's Department of Motor Vehicles. Look for sections on obtaining a new driver's license or permits. You will typically need to provide proof of identity, proof of residency in that state, and proof of legal presence in the United States. Many states also requiring you to pass a written knowledge test, a vision test, and a practical road test to demonstrate your driving skills. Some states, for example, California, New York, and Washington, also offer driver's licenses regardless of immigration status, often referred to as driver's licenses for all. Understanding terms like legal presence is crucial, as it refers to your authorization to be in the United States according to federal immigration law. This is typically shown through documents like a green card, a valid visa, or an employment authorization document. Proof of residency simply means showing you live in that state, usually with utility bills, rental agreements, or bank statements. You might also encounter the term Real ID, which is a federally compliant identification card that many states now issue. While not always required for driving, a Real ID is necessary for certain federal purposes like boarding domestic flights. By taking the time to understand these state-specific requirements, you are not only ensuring your ability to drive legally and safely, but you are also gaining a significant degree of independence and flexibility. This knowledge empowers you to confidently navigate your new community, access essential services, and participate more fully in daily life, all while avoiding potential legal complications related to driving.
If you connect with this, like, subscribe, and share your story with us.